Okay, working on some copters. I'm getting ready to put this bad boy together and get it up and running so it can be perma-pack in its own case. I don't want stuff for these copters to be sitting around packed up in a storage room somewhere going to rot. I already got a flight case for it. And this is a big dog here. These are the arms. This thing is just a tad under 5 foot in diameter. And I ain't giving up my planes. I might give up that roving. I don't know. I'm just starting to get used to it. So I've got this one and another big dog to build. The Colossusis is already spoken for. It'll be out of here Friday. The Yeti roller that I bought not too long ago, I finished it up, but I got way too many. I still got the kit over here to do. I've got 2 nitros, that 32cc gas, these 2 planes. You know, I need to sell a couple of these copters if I can before I get out of here, but people don't spend that kind of money very often because they're big. And I'm going to finish this one tonight, get started on the other one. If anybody's thinking about flying, I have hexacopters. They are 700 millimeter to 1400 millimeter. And one of them is a 4-axis. That frame I just showed you, that's a 4-axis. The X8 is also a 4-axis. That's like 1200 millimeter X8. I got 2 of these. One of them stretched to 1050. This one's a 960. No, I ain't giving up my other Tyrannus. That ain't gonna happen. Ain't giving up my Walker neither. So I got that. And the thing with the Yeti's negotiable because I got extra radios and receivers here. Actually, I got a lot of them since I bought that new radio with the memory on it. Don't need a whole bunch of radios. Just flip it on and it turn on the car and it binds right up, ready to go. Boom. You know, as long as they got receiver on it, it's good to go. That's it. But on this copter, I've been talking to XB and a couple other guys because I did one and I used commercial wiring blocks instead of copter stuff. And I gotta tell you, it works out a whole lot better, especially when it comes time to do maintenance. Now, this power strip is rated at 450 volts, AC or DC, and it's 25 amp board. So it's gonna handle this copter. I've got 2 motors on each of these, and 5 volts on this side, 12 volts on that side for any accessories, lights, blah blah blah. When I need something, if I run the data logger system or for 3D mapping, I can just plug stuff in. I don't have to worry about where it's got to go or taking any wires loose. Just plug it in and go, because when I get done with this thing, it'll be mounted facing out. And I've got dummy covers to keep the blanks covered. I tell you, these having your own breadboards is priceless. Priceless. Retracts ready to go. Just put the controller on. So we almost there. Almost there. And that's all I got going on for the night. I know you guys already can tell I'm slowing down on the videos because I'm trying to get a lot of this stuff sold that I can't take now that the movers and changed the game. Well, they didn't change the game. I'm just not physically going to be allowed to do what I want to do. Piss me off. You know, you used to climbing mountains one day and you can't even crawl out of a hole the next. That sucks a big root with no salt and pepper. So that's what I got going on for now. As you can see, the pit is tore all to hell, but the room is steady getting empty. I've been digging stuff out and packing stuff up and getting ready to do this move. So you guys out there stay blessed. And Bashing the Creighton, slow the hell down, man. I can't keep up with you all this video. Bam, 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 bam. Dude, come on, man. Big shout out. My boy. And that fool that dissing you on your channel, you need to block him, man. Tell him his teeth is hard to brush when they all over the floor. You know, people need to get a life. Don't nobody want to see nobody doing good or get a decent deal. You know, his old lady might let him back in the house because he obviously got issues. Got people kill me getting on YouTube to go find somebody to talk smack to they don't know. You walk up on one day and have your teeth spread out all over the street, you'll come up with some new habits. Yeah, he will. You keep doing what you're doing, bro. Your descriptions are good. Your mannerisms always good. You're good at what you do. That dude could jump off a high bridge into some shallow water. You know what I'm saying? God bless you guys. And I'm glad I ain't heard no new news about nobody getting sick. I'm happy to hear that. So, Papa Phil in the pit. I'm out of here. Get back with it. See you later. Bye.